Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how you can install WhatsApp without Play Store on SAMSUNG Galaxy Tab S11. Let's begin! Now, usually for the convenience you probably would want to head into Play Store, type in WhatsApp and then just install it. But we are in a different video, and in here you want to learn how you can do it without the Play Store. Maybe you are a Huawei user for some reason and you can't do that, or whatever, like, it doesn't really matter. Maybe you just don't like Google, it's completely fine. Luckily for you, there is a very easy way for you to download your WhatsApp here. First, you want to enter the browser of your choosing. I'm going to choose Chrome since I believe this is the most popular one. We can continue since I have never used that browser on this device now. And now we want to enter URL and we want to just search for WhatsApp, and then you can simply click download. Here you want to be pretty careful because there are plenty of different things you can choose here. And it really depends on the type of search browser and search engine you have. I have browsers, I have Brave, so we have the legit link right at the top, but I also seen possibilities that you could see this on the top, and as you can see, this is just the link to the Google Play itself. If we click it, we'll get transported here, which we of course don't want to. So let's go into whatsapp.com/download. As you can see, the web page is very easy to check. And now we can scroll down a little, and we want to go here, and we should be able to see the download button, which, okay, never mind, it's right here. I for some reason missed it. So as you can see, this actually doesn't do anything, which is pretty funny. This is just the link for you to download it, and also have like WhatsApp web and all of that. But we are looking for a direct way for us to install the WhatsApp not on our That's interesting indeed. Okay, I have found the issue, and I'm actually quite surprised because they have changed their site. We don't want to head into whatsapp.com/download. Instead, we want to scroll down a little, and here we have whatsapp.com/Android. So we want to head here. So as you can see, this is how this looks. And once again, we technically do have the ability to just, input it and go into getting it on the Google Play, but we can also download it directly. So let's click that. We are now installing the APK file, and now we can open it. But for our security, our tablet currently isn't allowed to install unknown apps from the source. We can change this in settings, so we can click that. But actually there isn't, we can't really change that, so we have to manually go into our settings, and I believe that this can be easily found inside security and privacy. We can scroll down a little, go into more security settings, I believe, install unknown applications, and we want to enable Brave and Chrome, but the Chrome itself should be happy with all of that. And now we can once again go back to our browser here. We can click here, go into downloads, and let's try to open it once again, and finally we can click that install button. But the unknown app is blocked. Luckily, don't worry, it's very easy to fix as well. Now we want to head into security and privacy once again, but this time we can simply disable the auto blocker you have here. And now we can click the WhatsApp.app, install, and we can finally install the application. By the way, this way we can probably install almost anything on our device, at least as long as it's legal, of course, because installing from unlegal sources is illegal, as the name suggests. But anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.